Welcome back to YC. It's a true story based on a small church in Possum Trot, Texas. The church adopted 77 of the most difficult to place kids in their foster care system. The movie, The Sound of Hope, the story of Possum Trot, is coming to theaters on the 4th of July, produced by Latita Wright from the Black Panther, and there's a Carolina face on the screen. We're excited to welcome young actress Sabina Grace here with us. Tell us more about this movie and how you got into it. Thank you so much for being on TV with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so let's talk about this movie, first of all. A big producer behind it with Latita Wright. Talk about the story of this. This is a historic story from Possum Trot,
Yes,
Texas.
it's a real story.
It's a real story. So it's about getting these hard-to-place foster kids into homes, and the church adopts 77 of them.
Yes.
And so tell us about your role in this movie.
So I play Shantae, the biological daughter of Diane Sparks, who was the first person to adopt in the church.
Okay.
And one of the sisters of the First Lady, Donna Martin.
Okay, and so what was it? I was asking you if you had acted before you auditioned for this role, and you said you had done some commercial work and things like that.
Yes.
What was it about this story that made you want to be involved in it?
Well, I have two friends in foster care. And one of those friends, I didn't even know they were in foster care until the end of the school year.
And that's the thing, right? With foster care, a lot of times you don't know who's in it, and there's a level of shame that's associated with it from a lot of standpoints. So this movie is going to kind of take you through that. What does it leave you? Does it leave you inspired? Does it make you sad? Does it make you happy? What are the emotions?
Well, when we did these pre-screenings, some of them cried and some of them got inspired. So what I want people to
take away from this
is to be inspired by the film, so they can adopt or foster. And if they can't adopt, there are other ways they can help, like volunteering with organizations that support foster families and foster kids and help families and foster kids.
And we do a lot of stories here on Your Carolina about the need for foster care families here in South Carolina. We have a really big need here in South Carolina. So this movie is going to do lots of work to bring up that conversation about if you got extra room, if you got extra space, extra room in your heart, that you can make it for you. But again, the Sound of Hope is in theaters on July the 4th, and you've had lots of positive feedback from these pre-screenings you've had, yeah? If we look down the road for Sabina Grace, what do we see for you? What do you want to do? Do you want to be an actor? Do you want to be a foster care advocate? What do you see down the road?
Well, I really want to be a playwright.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I like acting as much as I want to be a playwright.
And I'm sure being around a lot of those folks with big names in Hollywood, you probably got some good contacts in your phone, right? Hopefully you kept some. She looking at me, she's like, I kept some of those contacts.
Yep.
Well, best of luck to you. Come back and see us again. Keep us updated on this. And again, go see this movie out everywhere on the 4th of July. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.